Hello, little learners. Welcome back to our English Foundation series. Today, we are going to learn all about our amazing bodies. We have fingers to wiggle, toes to tap, and a big smart head. Let's learn 10 fun body parts together. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's look at the amazing parts of our face. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Your head is at the very top of your body. It holds your big, smart brain. Nodding head. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. You have two eyes. They help you see all the beautiful colors in the world. Blinking eyes. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Your nose is right in the middle of your face. It helps you breathe and smell sweet flowers. Sniffing nose. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. We use our mouth to eat yummy food, sing happy songs, and give big smiles. Smiling mouth. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. You have an ear on each side of your head. They help you hear music and mommy calling. Listening ears. Fantastic job. Now, let's learn about our limbs, our arms and legs. Hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. We use our hands to clap, wave hello, and give high fives to our friends. Clapping hands. Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. You have 10 little fingers. They help you pick up toys and draw beautiful pictures. Wiggling fingers. Legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. Your legs are long and strong. They help you run, jump, and skip all day long. Jumping legs. Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. Your feet are at the bottom of your legs. They help you stand tall and balance. Stomping feet. Toes. T-O-E-S. Toes. You have 10 tiny toes on your feet. You can wiggle them or stand on your tippy toes to reach high. Tippy toes. Wow! You've learned 10 amazing body parts today. You are so smart. Now, let's play a fun game to see what you remember. It's quiz time. Which body part helps us see all the beautiful colors? Yes. That's right, our eyes. What do we use to smell sweet flowers? Correct. We use our nose. Which long body part helps us run and jump? Right. Those are our legs. What do we have 10 of on our hands to help us pick up toys? You got it. They are our fingers. What part holds our big, smart brain at the top of our body? Excellent. That's our head. I am so proud of you. You've learned so many important body parts today. keep practicing by pointing to them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time. Goodbye.